Hey there! Want to create engaging YouTube shorts without showing your face? If you're camera shy or just prefer to stay behind the scenes, we've got the perfect solution for you. Let me introduce you to Invideo AI, a game-changing tool that will revolutionize the way you create content. This revolutionary tool makes creating faceless shorts as easy as typing out an idea. Imagine not having to juggle multiple AI video tools or spend hours editing. Sounds like a dream, right? With Invideo AI, you can generate complete YouTube shorts in minutes. How? Let's break it down. Invideo AI writes the script, creates scenes, adds generative media, voiceovers, subtitles, sound effects, and delivers a polished video. Here's how it works. 1. Prompt. Choose a workflow, fill out the details, and generate your prompt. It's as simple as filling out a form. Select your audience, platform, and appearance, and click Generate Now. 3. Edit. Use the Edit magic box to make tweaks. This feature allows you to fine-tune your video to perfection. You can delete scenes, change voiceovers, adjust accents, and more. The flexibility is incredible. With AI-powered scripts, you save time and effort. No more endless hours spent on editing. Invideo AI's Faceless Shorts generator creates tailored scripts automatically for any topic, making your content engaging without the hassle. But that's not all. Invideo AI offers a wide range of human-sounding voiceovers in 50+ languages and different accents. This means you can reach a global audience effortlessly. Want to use your own voice? No problem. Record yourself just once and Invideo AI will replicate it. This feature is perfect for maintaining a personal touch in your videos. Invideo AI is perfect for bringing your short videos to life. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or educator, this tool is a game changer. Whether you're targeting a local or international audience, there's a voice for everyone. The diversity in voice options ensures your content resonates with your audience. So what are you waiting for? Dive into the world of faceless content creation with Invideo AI. Hit the link below to get started. It's free. Thanks for watching. We can't wait to see what you create. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on creating amazing content. Your support helps us bring you more valuable content. See you in the next one. Until then, happy creating.